Hey hackers, I know you want to learn how hackers build their own gadgets for penetration testing. Let's talk about hardware. What is hardware? Inside your phone or PC, there are components like processors, registers, microcontrollers, power management systems, and display controllers. All of these are part of the hardware. Understanding how these components work is important if you want to build your own tech tools. This video is for educational purposes only. Any misuse of the information is your own responsibility. I am not responsible for any illegal activity. Now let's continue. Let's talk about how we can use hardware in DIY projects for penetration testing. There are two types of tools we will focus on. The first is ready-made gadgets. The second is custom-built gadgets that we make ourselves. First, let's talk about the ready-made gadgets. Flipper Zero is one of the most popular devices among ethical hackers. It can scan RFID, NFC, infrared, Bluetooth, and many more radio protocols. It can emulate access cards, analyze signals, and interact with other devices. More tools like Flipper Zero, Proxmark 3. This is a more advanced RFID, NFC research device. It can read, write, and clone RFID cards, including high frequency, 13.56 MHz, and low-frequency 125 kHz. It's widely used in security research. Hack5 Signal Owl, a stealthy USB device designed for wireless network auditing. It can run payloads for Wi-Fi sniffing, credential harvesting, and more. It runs on OpenWRT and can be remotely controlled. M5 Stick is a small microcontroller-based device with built-in screen, buttons, and sensors. It runs on the ESP32 chip and can be programmed using Arduino or MicroPython. It is great for building small custom tools. USB Rubber Ducky is a USB device that acts like a keyboard. When you plug it into a computer, it can type commands automatically. It is often used in red teaming to test physical access security. Other keystroke injection tools. O.MG cable looks like a regular USB charging cable, but it has a microcontroller inside for wireless payload injection. It supports keystroke attacks in remote command execution. DigiSpark USB, a tiny Arduino-compatible device that acts as a USB keyboard. It's cheap and can be used for HID attacks similar to the Rubber Ducky. These tools are useful, but there are some disadvantages. First, you don't learn anything if you just buy and use them. You skip the process of learning how they work. Second, the price. Flipper Zero, for example, can cost over $200 in the US. Also, these devices are banned or restricted in many countries. Now let's talk about building your own. I'm giving you a file that includes 50% of the Flip4 Zero DIY project. This file contains code, basic instructions, and examples. You can take this and complete the other 50% using your own creativity. In the DIY Hacking Gadget series, we will teach you step-by-step how to build your own device. You will learn about PCB designing, 3D case modeling and printing, soldering components, and writing your own firmware. More things you'll learn in upcoming episodes. How to use KiCad or EasyEDA to design your circuit boards. How to flash firmware to ESP32 or AT Mega microcontrollers. How to integrate sensors like Hall effect, accelerometers, or our receivers for creative gadgets. How to log keystrokes or detect Wi-Fi probes for red team exercises. How to convert common microcontrollers into Bluetooth sniffers or HID emulators. But right now, this full series is locked. To unlock it, I need your help. You need to invest time and value into this channel. My value is subscribers. When we hit 1,000 subscribers, I will unlock the full series, upload the full tutorial, and also reveal my face on camera for the first time. If you're ready to learn real skills and not just watch, subscribe to the channel. We are doing something big on YouTube. No more shortcuts, real knowledge, real builds. The Flip4 Zero DIY file is in the description. Download it, complete it, and share your result on Instagram. The link is in my bio. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn more.